Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate the Xfinity streaming app on your smart TV for easy access to your cable channels and on-demand content, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Turn on your smart TV and navigate to the App Store appropriate for your TV's platform, such as Samsung Smart Hub, LG Content Store, Roku Channel Store, or your TV manufacturer's app marketplace. Step 2. Search for Xfinity Stream in the App Store using the search function. When you find the official Xfinity Stream app in the results, select it. Step 3. Download and install the Xfinity Stream app on your smart TV. The download should only take a few moments depending on your internet connection speed. Step 4. Once installation is complete, open the Xfinity Stream app from your TV's app list or home screen. The app will launch and display a welcome or sign-in screen. Step 5. Select Sign In or Get Started from the app menu. An activation code will appear on your TV screen, typically consisting of 6 to 8 characters. Keep this screen visible. Step 6. Using a computer, smartphone or tablet, open a web browser and visit xfinity.com, authorize, or the specific activation URL shown on your TV screen. Step 7. Sign in to your Xfinity account using your Xfinity ID, email address, and password. If you don't have online credentials, you'll need to create an Xfinity account using your account number first. Step 8. Enter the activation code from your TV into the field on the website and click Continue or Activate. Return to your TV where the Xfinity Stream app should refresh automatically, granting you access to your channels, on-demand content, and DVR recordings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.